Hello everyone, this is Juan Pablo. I'm really excited to announce that I'm going to be teaching at the Jamie Orr Academy for the second year. I'm going to be teaching Spanish plus some of the humanities courses. So I'm really excited to announce that we're going to continue with all the fun and exciting activities like the ones we had last year during the main lessons. That we created a board game, we did some cooking. Also in the Spanish classes, we played a lot of games, we learned songs, we learned tongue twisters, poems, we played a lot of different fun games to learn vocabulary. We created products, we did some role-playing activities, we even wrote a play, rehearsed it, and acted out. So I'm really excited to see all the students from the last year, plus all the new students that are going to be added to this courses, to the Spanish class and to the humanities main lessons. So I hope to see you soon. Nos vemos pronto. Hasta luego. Adiós.